Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
Room planning is used for one-room projects that don't require that much detail and that don't have a plan or an IFC model. It's generally it's used when you want to be a bit fast. For example, for the salespeople and for simple tasks like to verify if a certain amount of lighting of luminaires would generate a certain level of lighting, etc. But still, you need to know the dimensions of your space, of your room. For example, here the length, the width, the height, the wall thickness is not that important, and also the utilization of the space. For example, if it's let's say a classroom, here we can go, for example, to a study hall. I mean, you know the utilization, you know the dimensions, and then you actually create your space and light it up.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.